Hello and welcome back to English Speaking Tips podcast. I'm John and I'm here with Anna.
Hi, everyone. So happy to have you back. Whether you're walking, studying, or just relaxing, thanks for spending time with us. You're improving your English every minute you listen.
In Season 1, we ended with a mini quiz. Before today's exciting new topics, let's review those questions and answers together. All right, Anna. First question, what is the past tense of go?
That one's simple. It's went. Present, I go to the gym. Past, I went to the gym yesterday.
Good. Next, what's the difference between I am and I'm?
They mean the same thing. I'm is just the contraction or the shorter version. I am tired. I'm tired.
Here's a common mistake. He don't like coffee or he doesn't like coffee.
The correct sentence is he doesn't like coffee. Remember, for he, she, it, we use doesn't.
Next, how do you introduce yourself in English?
Easy. Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. Hello, my name is Anna.
And last one. She have a car or she has a car?
She has a car. We use has with she. Now, let's get into today's lesson. We'll have a real conversation around 3 topics. Each one includes useful vocabulary and natural expressions.
Let's go. Topic 1, daily routine. Anna, what's a typical day like for you?
Well, I usually wake up around 7 a.m. I drink a glass of water, then I do some light yoga or stretching. It helps me feel grounded.
Nice. What do you do after?
I make breakfast, usually oats with fruit, and then I check my emails. I start teaching online classes at 9. After lunch, I write in my journal and sometimes go for a walk. What about you?
I'm an early riser too. I wake up at 6:30 a.m., take a shower, and have black coffee. I usually read for 15 minutes. It's my way of getting mentally prepared.
Sounds like a mindful start.
In the evening, I try to unwind, that means relax, by listening to music or cooking. I find it therapeutic.
That's a great word. Therapeutic means something that makes you feel better emotionally or mentally.
Vocabulary from topic 1, grounded, calm, balanced, focused, unwind, to relax and let go of stress. Therapeutic, healing, or emotionally beneficial.
Let's talk about something we all struggle with. Phones. John, how long can you go without checking your phone?
Honestly, maybe 2 hours if I'm being productive. It's hard though.
Same. Sometimes I catch myself scrolling mindlessly, even when I don't mean to.
That's a great word. Mindlessly means doing something without thinking.
Exactly. So I've started setting screen time limits and replacing phone time with reading. It helps me stay present.
Good strategy. I try digital detox weekends. No screens from Friday evening to Sunday morning. It's refreshing.
Wow, that's impressive. I'm inspired to try that.
We're not saying phones are bad, just that we need to use them intentionally. Vocabulary from topic 2, mindlessly, without awareness or attention. Screen time limits, setting boundaries on how long you use your phone. Digital detox, taking a break from digital devices intentionally with clear purpose or thought.
Let's dream a little. If you could travel anywhere in the world right now, where would you go?
Japan, for sure. I'm fascinated by the culture, the nature, and especially the food. I want to visit Kyoto and walk through the bamboo forest.
Sounds magical. I'd love to go to Italy. The architecture, the art, the gelato, it's all on my bucket list.
Travel really broadens your perspective, doesn't it?
Absolutely. That means it helps you see the world differently and understand other people's lives.
Even planning a trip can feel exciting. I like making itineraries and imagining the adventures.
Me too. And speaking English while traveling, super helpful.
Vocabulary from topic 3. Broadens your perspective, helps you see new ideas and viewpoints. Itinerary, a travel schedule or plan. Fascinated, extremely interested, or amazed, Wow, we covered a lot today. If you listened carefully, you just practiced natural English and learned new vocabulary.
We hope this episode helps you speak with more confidence and think in English. That's our goal here, learning by doing.
Before we go, here's a little challenge for you, our awesome listeners. We've used some advanced English words today. Can you make your own sentences using them? Here are the words: therapeutic, mindlessly, intentionally, itinerary.
Try writing a sentence for each one, or just say them out loud. For example, taking long walks in nature is therapeutic for me. Now it's your turn. Be creative. Share your sentences with us, and we'll read some of them out loud in the next episode.
This is a great way to practice thinking in English and using real vocabulary in your everyday life.
So go ahead, make a sentence with each word. We're excited to hear from you.
Thanks for spending time with us today. Keep listening, keep practicing, and don't forget, subscribe. You're doing amazing. See you in the next episode of English Podcast. Bye.